So GoHighLevel is one of my favorite all-in-one marketing tool that I use to manage my automations, host my website, create funnels and websites for my customers. There are three main plans with HighLevel: a 97, a 297 and a 497 plan. And this video we are going to go over all the plans, all the benefits, and then we'll also discuss which one you should pick as a total beginner. First, let's do a quick overview on what HighLevel actually is. So HighLevel is your all-in-one marketing software. It's going to be perfect for you if you are running your own marketing agency and you have multiple clients, or you just have a local business and then you are looking to build your website, generate some reviews from your Google account. So even if you are just starting out in the online space and you are just building your first offer, your first funnel, this is also going to be helpful for you. HighLevel is going to basically replace all these softwares. So it's going to offer CRM and pipeline management. It's going to be a website builder, a form builder. It's also going to take care of your email marketing, booking appointments, following up with those appointments, or your workflow automations, call tracking, reputation management. And if you had a different software for all of these, or the other tools, the price would really add up. And in this list, we have 1.6K, so 1600 per month just to start your business, which as a beginner is really difficult and expensive, but HighLevel offers all of these services for only 97 per month. Next, I wanted to highlight a couple of features that I most often use with HighLevel. There are more, but it would take forever to go over all the features. So first is going to help you convert leads with automated follow-ups. So let's say you already run campaigns on Facebook, you are getting leads, but if those leads are not automatically going into your CRM and you are not automatically sending SMS, email to keep those leads warm and then to convert them, you might be losing out because if you do it all manually, you might be asleep and then only 6 hours later can you call these leads, and then by that time they might be no longer interested. So HighLevel is going to help you convert these leads with automated follow-ups. You can use email, SMS, voicemail, and now we also have the conversational AI to follow up with your leads. It's going to help you convert more leads into customers for your business, which is definitely something we all want. Next is going to be your CRM management as well. So HighLevel enables you to have unlimited contacts, even if you have only 100 contacts or you have a huge database and then you have 15,000 contacts. You can manage all of that in HighLevel. You can add different tags, different audience stages based on the lead quality. So it might be just a cold lead, it might be an engaged lead, or they might have booked a call. You can all manage it inside HighLevel CRM. You can create smart lists based on custom field data, tag contacts, and you can also do bulk actions such as add your contacts to a new email campaign. So the CRM feature is really easy to manage and the customization features are basically endless. There are some more ways that I actively use HighLevel. For example, it's a great website and funnel builder. It's also quick and easy to use. It's basically a drag and drop. I have multiple videos on how I create funnels with HighLevel. I might do a new one in the future, but you can also use this to build different forms and surveys to qualify your customers, to collect more data. You can use it as a sales pipeline. As I said, for the first touching point, where it's just a cold lead, until you can select different stages for your pipeline. So this might be just a cold lead and then contacted and then book the call and then actually customer, or did not qualify and then you just delete the contact. You also have access to reporting and analytics, so you can see your exact numbers. For example, email open rate, email bounce rate, your landing page conversion rates, and then you can also manage Facebook and Google Ads through the integrations inside HighLevel. Now we also have LinkedIn ads and way more integrations. So basically, there are various tools that you can connect HighLevel to. Here are the three main plans for HighLevel. So we have a starter plan at 97 per month, an unlimited plan at 297 per month, and then we have the agency pro package at 497 per month. So with the starter package, HighLevel gives you all the features even on the starter plan, which is great, and many of the other softwares don't do it. You need to pay the pro plan to access all the features, While with HighLevel, you have access to the CRM, to the website builder, funnel builder, creating blogs, workflows, social media scheduler. That's also another tool it replaces. And with the $97 plan, you also have unlimited contacts and users, and you can use it up to 3 sub accounts. So I'll explain that later. But the main difference between the starter and the unlimited plan is that with the unlimited plan, you have unlimited sub accounts. So if you are looking, let's say, to resell sub accounts, with the unlimited plan, you can do it. And then you will also get API access. You get a branded desktop app, which is nice if you are reselling. And then you can also rebill phone and email usage without a markup. And then with the Agency Pro plan, the 497 plan, you have unlimited everything. So unlimited sub accounts, unlimited SaaS accounts. So the main difference with the Agency Pro plan is now you have SaaS mode. So it's going to enable automatic sub account creation. And now you can resell usage. So emails, phone numbers, AI usage with a markup. So maybe it costs you 10 cents to deliver an email. Now you can resell it to your customers to make 20 cents per email, which over time and over dozens of emails really adds up. So you can make big money with the Agency Pro plan, especially if you have already an audience or if you are running ads, you can make a great plan with that. Next, we are going to go through each plan one by one. First, it's going to be 97 plan, the starter plan. So as we discussed, it's easy to get started and easy to test all the features with HighLevel. If you are just a beginner and you are not really sure where to start, I suggest you just start with the 97 plan. You have access to 3 sub accounts, so you can keep one for your own business, and then you can resell 2 other sub accounts to other businesses for your first 2 clients. So you don't even need to open another sub account for them, or they don't need to sign up to HighLevel. You can just give your own sub account to them. On the starter plan, you also have access to all the features, which is amazing. There's no gatekeeping, you have support, you have all the templates, you have the automations, you have the website builders. So I would suggest this if you are just starting out with HighLevel. Next is going to be the 297 plan. So here you can white label your app and you can get unlimited sub accounts. So it doesn't seem like a huge upgrade, but it's actually a great business. Even myself, I do it. I currently resell HighLevel sub accounts because I'm on this plan, and I resell sub accounts for $19 per month. It's a great deal for everyone because if anyone comes to my school community, let's say, and then they want to try HighLevel, they don't need to pay the 97 per month. I can just give it to them for 19 per month. And then once I sell enough sub accounts, I'm making a profit on my $300 plan. And now at this point, you can also rebuild the email and phone usage. You are not going to make a profit yet, but at least you don't need to cover the emails that your customers are sending. Moving forward to the Agency Pro plan, now this is the 497 plan. Now you get access to the SaaS mode, which is going to be the automatic sub account creation. And now you can sell usage with the markup. So you can sell an email that costs you 10 cents. You can sell it for 30 cents and then keep the difference. So that's going to be an additional source of income that you can create with HighLevel. And then with the SaaS mode, basically you can resell HighLevel. Instead of the 97 plan, you can just resell it to customers and then set up a custom product. Let's say you offer 10,000 emails per month, access to the website builder, but not access to the funnel builder. You can create a custom package and then sell it for $97 per month. So your customers can still try it and they don't need to pay the full $97 per month. With the Agency Pro plan, there's one feature that doesn't come with the other plans, which is the split testing, so A/B testing. It's useful if you have multiple funnels and then you want to test the opt-in rates. This is the only feature that's basically kept out of the other plans and it's only available on the Agency Pro plan. But unless you have tons of traffic, you don't really need the A/B testing or the split testing. Now, normally HighLevel only offers a 14-day free trial, but with my plan, I'm able to give you a 30-day free trial. So there's a link in my description. And once you sign up with my HighLevel, you also get access to all of my other bonuses. So for example, you get free VIP access to my school community, where you get an onboarding call, you get ongoing support. So if you are stuck with HighLevel, we can jump on a call, or if you need any help with your methods, I can help you. You have my WhatsApp number. You also get HighLevel guides and tutorials, so not only you get 30-day free trial, you get a step-by-step guide on how you can get started, and then how you can build your first sub-account, your first funnel, and your first website. You also get access to Meta Ad courses to generate unlimited leads for your business, which is going to be important if you are making the investment and moving forward with your own business. And then in my community, I also offer weekly coaching calls. You get over 50 funnel templates that you can just use, and there are way more. So if this sounds interesting to you, use the link in my description below the video, or check out my website wupscale.com/GoHighLevel.